Hi, hello everyone, shalom lekulam. Today I'm going to teach you some basic and common Hebrew greetings and phrases. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, starting with basic hello. In Hebrew, we say shalom or hi. Used in a sentence, shalom, shmi Ornit, naim leakir. And that means, hello, my name is Ornit. Nice to know you. Next phrase, ma shimcha, and that means, what's your name? So you say ma shimcha to a male and ma shmech to a female. Next one. If you want to ask someone if they speak Hebrew, so to a male you would say, Ahim ata medaber ivrit? And to a female, Ahim at medaberet ivrit? So, moving on to friends Joey's question, how you doing? Or how are you? So we say to a male, ma shlomcha? And to a female, ma shlomech? Used in a sentence, Shalom Benny, ma shlomcha hayom? Margish tov? And that means, hello Benny, how are you today? Feeling well? And to a female, Shalom Shoshi, ma shlomech? Vema shlom hayledim? And that means, hello Shoshi, how are you? And how are the kids? So there are several other ways to ask someone how is he doing, such as ma nishma, ma kore, ma matzav, ma luz, and ma dibur. I'm going to speak more about those in another video, which I'm going to dedicate especially for the Hebrew language. I can't wait for that. For now, let's move on to the next one. Next word is slicha. Slicha means sorry, or I beg your pardon, or excuse me. Used in a sentence, slicha, kama ola החולצה הזאת? Which means, excuse me, how much does this shirt cost? Another example, סליחה, לא התכוונתי לפגוע. And that means, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. So, next word, בסדר, which means okay or fine. Used in a sentence, זה בסדר, לא לקחתי זאת אישית. And that means that's okay, I didn't take it personally. Another example for בסדר, איך היה בבית ספר היום? בסדר. And that means, how was school today? Okay or fine. Next word is such a great word. תודה. תודה means thank you. Used in a sentence. תודה על הספר שהשאלת לי. זהו ספר אדיר. And that means thank you for the book you lent me. It is a great book. You can also say תודה רבה. תודה רבה means thank you very much or many thanks. Example for a sentence, תודה רבה שבאתם, נתראה שבוע הבא. And that means thank you very much for coming. We'll see you next week. Next one, the word בבקשה. So בבקשה means please or here you go or you're welcome. For example, סליחה, אפשר בבקשה לקבל כוס מים? Which means, sorry, may I have a glass of water, please? Then usually the other person would say, בטח, בבקשה. That means, sure. There you go. Next one, בוקר טוב. בוקר טוב is good morning. Used in a sentence. בוקר טוב, דוד. מה שלומך היום? And that means, good morning, David. How are you today? Next one, צהריים טובים. צהריים טובים is good afternoon. Used in a sentence, צהריים טובים, מיקה. את הולכת לאכול? And that means, good afternoon, מיקה. Are you going to eat? Next one, ערב טוב. That means, yep, good evening. Used in a sentence, ערב טוב, גבירותיי ורבותיי. האם אתם מוכנים למסיבה? And that's said to a mixed crowd of males and females and means, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the party? Next one is לילה טוב. לילה טוב is good night and used in a sentence. לילה טוב חברים, שתמיד ניפגש רק בשמחות. That means good night friends, may we always meet only in happy times. Next one, ברוך הבא or ברוכה הבאה. So ברוך הבא you say to a male and ברוכה הבאה to a female when you want to welcome someone. Used in a sentence, ברוך הבא לישראל. אנחנו מאחלים לך שהייה נעימה. That means welcome to Israel. We wish you a pleasant stay. Another one is ברוך השב or ברוכה השבה, and that means welcome back. So used in a sentence, ברוכה השבה לישראל, התגעגענו אלייך מאוד. And that means welcome back to Israel. We missed you very much. Before we finish, I would like to talk with you about some positive affirmations. These are words you would want to say to someone who did a great job and you want to encourage him, say something positive, or you ask someone, מה שלומך, how are you? And they answer in any kind of positive way and you want to greet them for that. So words like נהדר, מצוין, מעולה, מדהים. נהדר means wonderful. מצוין means excellent. מעולה is superb. And מדהים is amazing. נהדר, מצוין, מעולה, מדהים. And when you want to say goodbye in Hebrew, you say either להתראות, which means see you, or just bye or bye-bye, and this is it. This is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. תודה רבה. If you would like to book a Hebrew lesson, just click the link in the description. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That would be helpful. And if you want to stay tuned for more videos about studying motivation and more Hebrew lessons, just click the subscribe button. And I will see you very soon. Thank you, everyone. Bye. להתראות.